Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so on this channel today, I had some, I made some donuts. I made red velvet and chocolate. So I was going to glaze them, so I decided, okay, why not film it so I can, have like some content to post today, and so it can be a teachable moment. Okay, so today while I glaze these donuts and decorate them, I'm going to be talking to you guys about like 10 things I wish, not 10. Let's make it four. Four things I wish I knew when I started this business, yeah? Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, like this day I had so much work to do. Like the last thing I had to do with these donuts, and like, I was almost done with my work. So I was like, okay, why not film, Okay, so I already made my glaze and I colored my glaze in chocolate. If you want the recipe, I have the recipe to the donuts, the chocolate and the red velvet on this channel, as well as the recipe to the glaze. So all you have to do is type in my search whatever, go on my channel and then search donut recipe basically, and then you're going to find it. Or I'm going to put the link right up here just in case I haven't put the link yet when you watch this video. Anyway, so let me tell you four things I wish I knew when I started this cake business. Okay, so I started this business when I was in second year in medical school, and it was like a really tough time for me. I've always loved cakes and stuff, but like when I was at home, I used to bake. I'll just bake random stuff for myself and for my siblings, and then when we can't finish them, we'll throw them away, and then we'll bake another one tomorrow. And at a point, my dad went to the kitchen and poured all of my baking stuff away because they were so unorganized and they used to make everywhere dirty. Anyway, see, me and this baking, we've come a long way. Anyway, so let me tell you guys four things I wish I knew when I started this cake business. That would have made my life a lot easier, because then I was in medical school and it wasn't exactly easy to combine caking and medical schooling basically. Anyways, number one is customers are not exactly your friends. Let me give you an example. I'm this person that friendship is kind of hard for me. I don't easily make friends, not because I'm not friendly or I'm not trying to be friends with them. It takes a lot for me to say someone is my friend. So like, just meeting a customer and because they were nice to me, I'm assuming they're my friends. Like in my head, like it cost me a lot. It cost me a lot of trouble and heartaches and stuff. So it took me a while to realize that you need to be professional. You need to be kind and sweet, and when they're sweet to you, like you need to be sweet to them back, whether they're sweet or not. But like, customers are not your friends, and you need to set boundaries, otherwise you won't make any profits, and you will just you'll be heartbroken a lot, because people are doing what's best for them, so you should do what's best for you. Okay, number two is this business, it is work. I don't even care how it looks on social media. When you see it on Instagram and TikTok and stuff, it looks like it's fun. You'll do it in a second and you're done, and then everywhere is going to be pretty, and then you're going to post pictures. God, it is messy and it is so much work. It is a ridiculous amount of work. Like when I was in school, I would go to school in the morning, and then when I get back, and then I would decorate the cakes I had for that day that I baked the day before, and then I would bake for the next day. So it was a lot of work. Now thinking back, I don't even know how I survived medical school, because that was way too much work for one person. Like I don't know how I did it, but somehow I kind of did it. But it was so much work. And like, if you are trying to start a cake business, I'm not trying to discourage you, I'm just trying to like give you heads up on what to expect and maybe what not to do, so you won't like end up like me basically. Okay, so it's a ridiculous amount of work, so you want to make sure you plan your time and you charge enough, guys. Oh god, number three is charge enough. I can't say it enough. Like, charge enough money. You are working hard, you deserve a living wage. There's a difference between earning a wage and earning a living wage. Earning a wage is like you're working and somebody is paying you. The amount they're paying you doesn't have to be sufficient enough for you to live a life or for you to do basic life stuff, you get. But when you earn a living wage, it means like the amount they're paying you is enough for you to maybe pay your rent, and you're not living like, you're not paying for frivolities, like you're paying for needs basically, like rent, food, heat and electricity, basically like basic stuff. That is what like earning a living wage is. You deserve to earn a living wage. Guys, I wish someone told me when I started that, like, charge enough, don't be afraid, charge enough. You're working really hard and you're doing the best you can. I'm not saying you should overcharge your clients based on what your expenses are. You need to be able to strike a balance between like your expenses and how much your services are actually worth. Yeah. Okay, so charge enough money, guys, otherwise you will be hungry. I didn't actually, okay, let me tell you a little story. I didn't realize I was not charging enough because I was baking for like third year, fourth year, fifth year. I didn't exactly realize I was not charging enough until money kind of stopped coming. Let me give you an example. Like, I would bake cakes and then I would earn money. I would like sell like maybe 3 to 4 cakes a day, and then I would earn some money. I wasn't really calculating the cost price, the selling price. Money was just going out and coming in. So and I kind of liked the movement. So the fact that I always had money on me made me feel like I was earning enough. I wasn't. And my parents were sending me pocket money, so like I would augment what I was making with pocket money. So when the pocket money kind of stopped, I realized that, okay, you're not earning a living wage, you're just running from pillar to post. So guys, earn a living. I think I'm going to make another video for you guys on how to charge a living wage. Earn a living wage, guys, you deserve it. Okay, so number 4 is this is very important. Like, I think I just learned this recently. Customer's emergency is not your emergency. Like, otherwise you'll be running from pillar to post every day. Yes, you forgot your girlfriend's birthday. It is not my business. You forgot last year too, you forget next year too. So if you come and say, oh, please quickly make me a cake, if I don't get a cake I'll die, please die. Otherwise, like, somebody forgets a birthday every day. So almost every day I get a message on like something that needs to be done urgently. You just realize that you're running from pillar to post every fucking day because everybody's emergency is your emergency. Okay, guys, I hope my tips are gonna help you, and I think you don't say too much. I love my customers, but you got to learn, otherwise you soon die. I'm sorry, guys. So if you haven't followed me, please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up on my video if you enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much. I know the title kind of does not tally with what I'm saying in the video. Like, I wanted to get how I'm glazing 24 donuts and decorating them and stuff. I just tried to gist you insights. I hope you enjoyed my gist. Anyways, let me tell you guys a little story. Okay, there is this customer. He's Indian, yeah. He still buys stuff from me because he lives in Ukraine, and I think he has about 2 children now. So what he used to do, like, the year before, he came and said, oh, he forgot his girlfriend's birthday, this and that, he really needs a cake, and he will buzz you at midnight, and he needs a cake tomorrow. Okay, I say, okay, no problem. Like, most times I would get up from the bed and just like go, I'm already done baking for the day, but I'll go to the kitchen and just quickly like put one in the oven and set an alarm so I can take it out when around the time it would be done. So this guy did the same thing the year before. He did it after. It took me a while to realize. It was when he wanted a cake for his first child's birthday I realized that this man forgets every time. Like, every fucking time he forgets his child's birthday. At first it used to be his girlfriend. I think they got married. I don't know if they got married or but like they have children now. They have 2 kids now. And now he's forgetting his children's birthday. And every time he's like transferring his, I don't know, his emergency-ness, if there's a word like that to me. And then I'm running from pillar to post, and almost every day I get customers buzz me, oh, it's an emergency, I forgot this, oh, this was an emergency, I forgot this, okay, please, I really appreciate you can make this for me, please, something will happen if you don't do it, something like, it's just ridiculous. Like, yeah, you should be, I usually do it if I can, but recently I've learned that I can't be doing that, otherwise you'll be running around every day because I'm the cake baker, yeah. You don't know who has an emergency today. Tomorrow, another person has another emergency. So, different people have different emergencies every day. And by the time you look at it, every day is an emergency and you're taking on everybody's emergencies. It means you will soon die. You soon give yourself a heart attack and die. So, this was last year, I told the guy that no, like, that was the first time I wasn't baking him a cake. And then he started saying, I patronized you from beginning of this your business and stuff, so you're not going to bake me a cake. I had the time, actually had time, not like I had time, but if I wanted to, I would have. But I told myself that everybody's emergency is not mine. If I can, of course they're paying me, of course I want to earn more money, but you can't be running from pillar to post, otherwise you have hypertension. And like, it's already hard enough being an entrepreneur and trying to run a business, then imagine adding everybody's emergency on top of your own life, on top of the emergencies you will get. I don't know if you guys understand. Anyways, he was upset and stuff, and I didn't make him a cake, but you know, I'm a softie. I kind of buckled and made him cupcakes, but I didn't make him a cake daddy, but I made him cupcakes. Anyway, so my point is, like, don't let people's emergency be your emergency, especially as an entrepreneur. Otherwise, every day will be an emergency. Every day is somebody's birthday. Every day will be somebody's emergency, and then you'll be running from pillar to post. You don't want to live like that, because if you have hypertension, you will die, and they will patronize someone else. Okay, guys, so how many tips did I give you? I give you 4. I said charge a living wage. I said it's a lot of work. I said, okay, customers, yeah, you can make friends from customers, but customers, the fact that they are smiling and laughing and, you know, being jovial with you, it doesn't mean they're your friends. So they might be acquaintances and clients that are nice and stuff, but, you know, you have to set boundaries. Otherwise, you're going to put yourself in trouble. And number 4, everybody's emergency is not your emergency. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. I hope you love this video, because I was glazing these donuts and the customer wanted black and gold, so I hope you like them, and I actually loved them. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you later.